In the vast expanse of the ocean lies a world filled with wonders beyond imagination. Let's dive in and explore its mysteries together. Transition to underwater scene, brightly colored coral reefs, schools of fish swimming gracefully. As we journey deeper into the ocean's abyss, we encounter its most mysterious inhabitants. Strange and fascinating creatures roam these dark depths. Far below, resting on the ocean floor, lie remnants of the past. Shipwrecks tell tales of adventure and discovery, while hidden treasures await those who dare to explore. Journeying towards the icy realms of the Arctic, we encounter a world of frost and wonder. Here, the ocean is home to creatures adapted to survive in the harshest conditions. And so, our journey through the ocean comes to an end. But remember, the wonders of the sea are endless, waiting to be explored by curious adventurers like you. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and never stop marveling at the beauty of our incredible oceans.